In this tutorial, I'll be giving you an overview of how to use a behavior-based observations template. A behavior-based observation, or BBO, is a proactive safety approach focused on observing and recording both safe and unsafe behaviors in the workplace. It plays a key role in identifying patterns and addressing potential risks before they lead to incidents. This approach encourages employee involvement, promotes accountability, and strengthens the overall safety culture by shifting focus from just incidents to everyday actions and habits. In this template, you'll be able to capture important data such as the observation ID, location, type of observation, date and time, and record both safe and unsafe behaviors observed. You can also log the behavior category, detailed descriptions, whether immediate feedback was given, any corrective actions taken, behavior trends, the responsible person, the status, and completion dates. This structured format ensures that each observation is well documented, follow-ups are tracked, and overall trends can be analyzed to support continuous improvement. So let's start exploring how to make the most out of this powerful safety tool. This is how I designed my report. The form is structured to display data for a single observation record at a time, making it easier to focus on and review individual entries. At the top, you enter the observation ID, and once that's done, all the related information from the main table on the next worksheet is automatically pulled into the form. This includes key details like location, observation type, behaviors observed, and any corrective actions taken. The form uses a combination of the VLOOKUP and IF functions to retrieve and display data for that specific row based on the ID. This setup is useful because it reduces errors, saves time, and provides a clear, printable summary for each observation. Please watch my tutorial on Excel formulas and functions to understand exactly how this works behind the scenes. To use this report, all you have to do is change the observation ID at the top of the form. Once you enter a valid ID, all the functions will automatically update the rest of the report with data linked to that specific record. This makes it quick and efficient to view or print individual entries without manually searching through the entire table. Just make sure the ID you enter exists in the main data table on the next worksheet. If the ID is not found, the fields will return blank or error values. This is the overview of the main data table, capturing all recorded behavior observations in rows, making it easy to track, review, and analyze workplace trends over time. I will now put the video on fast forward as I demonstrate how each of these buttons works, just to save time while still showing the full functionality in action. The search button is a powerful feature designed to help users quickly locate specific information within large data tables. Instead of manually scrolling through hundreds of rows, you simply enter a keyword, ID, or value into the designated search cell and click the search button. Excel will then highlight or bring focus to the matching record instantly. This not only saves time but also reduces the chances of data entry errors by ensuring you're referencing the correct record. It's especially useful in employee tracking, complaint logs, or health screening forms where quick access to accurate data is crucial for analysis. The Add New Row button is a real-time saver, especially when the table contains many rows. Instead of manually scrolling to the bottom to insert a new row, this button instantly adds a fresh row in the correct position. It streamlines data capturing, reduces errors, and helps keep your workflow smooth and efficient. The Delete Row button is very useful when managing large tables with many rows. Instead of scrolling through numerous entries to find and remove a specific row, this button quickly deletes the selected row instantly. It helps maintain clean, accurate data by removing unwanted records efficiently, saving time and minimizing mistakes during data capturing processes. The Save as PDF button lets you highlight a specific range within your large table and save only that selected data as a PDF file. This feature is very useful for capturing and sharing particular sections of your data without including the entire table, helping keep your reports clear, focused, and well organized while leaving other rows unaffected. The Save as Word button allows you to highlight and select a specific range within your large table, then save only that chosen data as a Word document. This is especially useful when you want to extract and save particular rows without including the entire table, making data capturing more efficient and organized, while keeping other rows untouched and intact. The Filter Data button allows you to display only the rows that meet specific criteria, hiding all other irrelevant rows. This makes it easier to focus on important data without distractions. Once you're done reviewing or editing, Simply click the Unhide button to reveal all hidden rows and return to the full table view. The Save as Word button on the report worksheet automatically saves a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a Word document. You don't need to select any range, making it quick and easy to export the entire report layout for a specific complaint. This ensures consistent formatting and saves time when sharing standardized reports without extra steps. The Save as PDF button on the report worksheet is designed to export a fixed range from A1 to I50 as a PDF file. You don't need to manually select anything, just click the button and your complaint report will be saved instantly with the correct layout. This simplifies the process, especially when you need to generate uniform reports quickly and professionally for documentation or sharing purposes. Thank you so much for watching this overview tutorial. I hope you now understand how to effectively use the Customer Complaint Management template to track and manage complaints efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Don't forget to also check out my other videos where I cover more Excel templates and automation tools designed to boost your productivity.